Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius, the man who changed the way we understand the universe. From his revolutionary theory of relativity to his work in quantum mechanics, Einstein's contributions to science reshaped modern physics. But his life was far more than a series of groundbreaking equations. Today, we will take you on a journey through the life of Albert Einstein, from his humble beginnings in Germany to his rise as one of the greatest scientists in history. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg, German Empire. His parents, Hermann and Pauline Einstein, were secular Jews who supported Albert's intellectual curiosity from a young age. As a child, Einstein showed a deep interest in mathematics and science, but contrary to popular myth, he was not a poor student. He excelled in mathematics early on, but found formal school to be rigid and uninspiring. At the age of 15, his family moved to Italy, leaving him to finish school in Munich. He left, seeking an education that stimulated his curiosity. Einstein's fascination with the natural world was evident early. He once said, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." This curiosity drove him to understand the world beyond what was taught in school. After leaving Germany, Einstein eventually enrolled in the Polytechnic Institute in Zurich, Switzerland. While there, he formed friendships with fellow students and began to develop the critical thinking that would later revolutionize physics. In 1905, Albert Einstein, then a 26-year-old patent clerk, had what is often called his annus mirabilis, or miracle year. While working at the patent office in Bern, Switzerland, Einstein published 4 scientific papers that would change the world of physics forever. The first paper, on the photoelectric effect, provided evidence that light could behave as both a wave and a particle. This paper earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. In another paper, Einstein proposed his now famous equation, equal mk2, which demonstrated the relationship between energy and mass. This formula would later become a cornerstone in the understanding of nuclear energy. His theory of special relativity was perhaps the most revolutionary of all. Einstein showed that time and space are not absolute. They change depending on the observer's relative speed. This idea overturned centuries of Newtonian physics, which had treated time as constant and space as unchanging. In just 1 year, Einstein had laid the groundwork for quantum theory, special relativity, and the understanding of atomic energy. Despite his groundbreaking work, Einstein was not immediately recognized as a genius by the scientific community. In fact, he struggled to find a teaching position. It wasn't until he published his theories of relativity